Hello, this is Laptop Media and today, we will show you how to open the Lenovo ThinkPad E15 and what's inside of it. In order to get inside of the ThinkPad E15, you need to undo a total of 8 Phillips head screws. Interestingly, all of them stay attached to the bottom panel afterwards. Then, just pry the panel with a plastic tool. In terms of cooling, there is a single, rather thin heat pipe. The other components include a fan, and a heat sink, which is also smaller than what we're used to seeing. Upgradability-wise, we feel that this notebook is more than good. There is an M.2 slot with PCIe X4 and SATA support, as well as a 2.5-inch SATA drive bay. In terms of memory, there is only one RAM SODIMM slot, a downgrade from the ThinkPad E590. Nevertheless, it supports up to 16 GB of DDR4 memory working at 2666 MHz. Finally, there is a 45 watt-hours battery. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.